We're gonna go to yogurt first. This is White Mountain Bulgarian style yogurt. It is organic and made in Austin, Texas. This is the best yogurt I have ever come across. I tried many yogurts, many yogurts, and this one is the best. It's plain, it's tart, it's everything you want in a yogurt. It's organic. All the, how many? 90 billion CFUs per serving. To me, it tastes delicious. It tastes just like a yogurt's supposed to taste. It's organic, and you can't go wrong. When I open this lid and show you what it looks like on the inside, you'll understand why I like it that much. And let's move to the second part of this video, which is a kefir. I tried many kefirs over the years as well. I discovered this one about 3 years ago. This is goat kefir, so it's going to be easier on your digestion, on your stomach, than a regular milk kefir. I think it tastes better as well. And this is by Mayenberg Farms, and they just took over from the Redwood Hill Farms, which was the previous owner right there. So it looks a little different than it used to, but it's the same product, tastes the same, everything looks the same. See that? There's the explanation of it. And everything is amazing, man. It tastes amazing. It's probiotic, cultured milk with 11 live and active cultures, certified humane. Here's all this stuff, and it's really good, and it's my favorite kefir. So let me show you what the yogurt looks like, and then you will understand why I like it so much. Look at that. Look how thick it is on top. Look at that, all that creamy goodness on top of this yogurt. It's amazing. This really is top of the line stuff. I really can't wait to dig into it. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. My hand's shaking. I'm a little hungry, so I can't wait to eat. But I just wanted to show you guys this yogurt because I'm going to eat it with my meal. This is amazing. Look at that. It looks so good. Wait for it. Oh man, this is unbelievable, delicious stuff. You guys are missing out. If you don't have this yogurt in your fridge, you are missing out. White Mountain. This is amazing stuff, man. Look at this. Woo! How beautiful this is. Five out of 5, 10 out of 10. However you want to call it, however you want to slice it, dice it. This is it. This yogurt is it, man. Same thing with goat kefir. I'll probably make another video about the kefir and show you what it looks just, you know, creamy. It's just yogurt, just creamier. You have to shake it real good, pour it in a glass, drink it just like that, straight up. It's great, delicious. Buy it. It's healthy. It's good for you, man. Buy it, drink it, get used to it. Once you get used to it, you're gonna love it. All right, guys, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Bye.